TheraCal LC Pulp Capping Material and Liner. Seal and protect with TheraCal LC. TheraCal LC is a light-cured resin-modified calcium silicate-filled liner designed for use in direct and indirect pulp capping. The proprietary formulation of TheraCal LC consists of tricalcium silicate particles in a hydrophilic monomer that provides significant calcium release, making it a uniquely stable and durable material as a liner. TheraCal LC has many advantages, such as calcium release stimulates hydroxyapatite and secondary dentin bridge formation. Alkaline pH promotes healing and apatite formation. Significant calcium release leads to protective seal. Forms a protective barrier that insulates the pulp. Moisture tolerant and radiopaque, can be placed under restorative materials and cements. TheraCal LC clinical tips. 1. Apply to visibly moist dentin. 2. Apply in 1 mm increments. 3. Light cure for 20 seconds. For direct pulp capping placement, use TheraCal LC as suggested. Step 1. Achieve hemostasis before applying TheraCal LC for direct pulp capping placement. Step 2. Apply TheraCal LC directly to exposed pulp and light cure in 1 mm increments. Step 3. Etch, rinse, and apply bonding agent. Step 4. Complete the restoration. For indirect pulp capping placement, use TheraCal LC as suggested. Step 1. Infected dentin is removed and affected dentin remains. Step 2. Apply TheraCal LC directly to the preparation in 1 mm incremental layers and manipulate into a smooth surface. Step 3. Light cure each increment for 20 seconds. Step 4. Etch surrounding enamel using Bisco's Select HV Etch. Step 5. Apply Bisco's All Bond Universal and Light Cure. Step 6. The final prep after the core buildup. Seal and protect with TheraCal LC. Therasim Ca self-adhesive resin cement. The future is here with the next generation cement. Therasim Ca is a dual-cured calcium-releasing self-adhesive resin cement indicated for luting crowns, bridges, inlays, onlays, and posts, prefabricated metal, non-metal fiber posts. Therasim Ca offers clinicians an effortless, reliable, and durable cementation of indirect restorations with multiple benefits such as calcium releasing, continuous calcium ion release, alkaline pH. Therasim Ca transitions from acidic to alkaline pH in minutes. Easy cleanup. Therasim Ca is specifically formulated to allow for quick and easy removal of cement. High degree of conversion. Therasim Ca achieves a high degree of chemical conversion, which ensures a higher physical strength. highly radiopaque. Therasim Ca is easy to identify on radiographs for quick and effective diagnosis. Strong bond to zirconia. Therasim Ca delivers a strong bond to zirconia and most substrates with no priming or etching required. With Therasim Ca, you can reduce procedure time and simplify the overall restorative process. Step 1. Clean the preparation. Step 2. Dispense Therasim Ca into the crown. Step 3. Place crown onto the preparation. Step 4. Tack cure the margins for 2 to 3 seconds. Step 5. Remove excess material. Step 6. Light cure for 20 to 30 seconds or allow to self-cure. When using self-cured mode, light curing the margins even briefly will expedite the final set. Therasim Ca, the next generation of cements. Contact your local dealer to learn more. www.bisco.com/international/find a distributor.